In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TradingView account permanently. If you've decided you're done with the platform and want your profile and data removed, I'll walk you through the exact place to do it and share a few tips so the process is smooth and intentional. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in on the TradingView website. The process is most reliable on desktop, and the interface may look slightly different depending on updates, but the option we need is always in the same general area. Start by moving to the top left corner of the page where your profile is visible. Click your profile, then hover your cursor over your profile name. From the small menu that appears, choose Settings and Billing. This opens the central hub for everything related to your account and payments, which is where TradingView places sensitive controls like security and deletion. Once you're in that area, look for the Account Settings tab. Open that tab to see the controls that specifically affect your account status. You'll find options related to your personal information and account preferences here. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of that page. At the end of the section, you'll see the Delete Account option. Select Delete Account. TradingView may show a confirmation prompt to make sure this is intentional. That's normal, because deleting an account is permanent and can't be undone. Follow the on-screen confirmation so the system can finalize your choice. And there you go. After you confirm, your account deletion will be set in motion. You might see a short processing period, and depending on your settings, you could receive a confirmation message letting you know the request went through. A few final notes to consider as you take this step. Deleting your account removes access to your watch lists, saved chart layouts, custom indicators, alerts, posts, and messages associated with that profile. If there's anything you want to keep for reference, it's a good idea to save it elsewhere before you proceed. If you use TradingView on multiple devices, the change applies everywhere once the deletion is processed. That's the entire process. Click your profile, go to Settings and Billing, open Account Settings, and choose Delete Account. Take a moment to be sure it's the right move for you, and when you're ready, follow those steps to permanently remove your TradingView account.